Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming what you actually control, a recovery email, phone number, or authenticator app. Once done, go to Account, Microsoft, COM and select Sign In, then choose Forgot My Password to start the verified flow. Make sure you have recent account details, sent messages, subjects, or linked addresses because you will need to prove ownership. This step prevents guessing. It establishes secure identity before any reset is allowed. You now move through identity checks. Pick the verification method you still control, such as a text code, phone call, recovery email, or authenticator app code. Enter the code quickly, and if you don't see it, check spam and alternate inboxes. If none of those options work, use the account recovery form and supply as many accurate details as possible. Send dates, subjects, and billing info, because that form is how Microsoft validates ownership. Once Microsoft confirms your identity, choose a strong new password. Prefer a passphrase of 12 or more characters, mixing words and symbols. Then update that password on every device and mail client so sync resumes. Make sure to revoke old sessions and reconfigure the authenticator app if used. If the recovery attempt fails, don't panic. Contact Microsoft support and carefully retry the account recovery form with precise historical details. That single troubleshooting tip often makes the difference.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.